In this video, you will see how to create the account on Profile Draft developer section. So for that, you need to come here on register. First of all, you need to enter your email address, whatever you have. After that, you need to give a username accordingly. You could keep your name and after that any number. After that, you need to give a password, whatever you want. After clicking on register, you will get that your account has been created, but you need to log in now. Simply keep the things whatever you have. After that, click on login. Now this is the dashboard which you will get. This is basically a sample dashboard where all your contents will be displayed, but for now you need to go to the new home where the new dashboard will be loaded. Just simply click over it, you will get this one. Now you need to go to full dashboard. This is the full board, and now you need to select what you need to design. First of all, you need to go to the layout. You need to design the layouts. After that, you need to come to this section where you will select where that particular is present. Just click on production, you will get these all things. Now you could select which thing you want to create. So for that particular, I'm just giving a demo on this about section. So first of all, this is the layout which I want to design. So for that, I'll just be clicking on copy layout, and now this section has been loaded. You do not need to modify any data present over here. Just simply click on create and your data will be created and you will be redirected to design and manipulate that data. Since you can see a lot of options over here, you just simply need to go to design that particular layout in your own way. So for that, here you will get menu, editors and tools panel. First of all, here is the editors section where if you'll click on any of these buttons, it will be basically sticked over here, means it will not move here and there, and won't be disappearing. So you just need to click on CSS editor. You will get the CSS. Whatever you want to write over here, you could write. Just the things you do not need to remove is the previous one, means whatever is loading by default, you do not need to remove that. You just need to write your own CSS at the downside and just simply click on save. Similarly, this is the JavaScript, and for the JavaScript also the similar way, whatever functions has been written over here, you do not need to update those or modify or remove those. You just simply need to create your own at the downside, and after that whatever you modify, it will have a save button over here. It will be activated. You just need to click on save and it will be saved. After editing CSS and JavaScript, what you need to do is you just need to simply preview it. Just simply click on preview. You'll see that whatever you have designed is being created properly or not. After this, if you are creating once again or you are manipulating any kind of data over here, what you need to do is just come here and refresh it and it will be done. After making 2 or 3 of these, what you could do is you just need to select this link, copy this link and share it with us on Internshala itself. Here you could see the preview using that preview one, and also here is the tool for like if you are applying any colors or something and you want to test it accordingly, or you want to use the colors pre-built in the system itself, you could use this one also. Like if you just move this color wheel, you will get this, and if you click on any of these, so if you click here, you will see that variable is copied and now you could use this color. So this is the thing in which way you will be creating everything. So this is the thing what you need to do. Thanks a lot for watching.